Hello all, welcome to Decathlon Products Review Channel. In this video, we are going to see WEDZE Warmers for winter. This is made to provide warmth for greater comfort during your winter activities on your body, hand, and feet. I am going to open one of the pocket and show this. You can observe and enjoy this ASMR. Open the pack and shake for 5 seconds, then rub it, wait 10 minutes. It will activate at room temperature. This pocket has sticker. Remove the sticker before placing it. That's all about this product. I hope this will help in your buying decision. If you want a specific overview of any other products, which is available in Decathlon, feel free to leave a comment. We will come up with a detailed video.